Guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making some real Jamaican jerk chicken on the grill and everything. So I'm going to get started, show you the steps you need to do to make this fantastic real Jamaican jerk chicken. Alright, here's my chicken. I already cleaned my chicken with my vinegar, wash it, and now I'm ready to prep for my jerk chicken. So ingredients you're gonna need, or I use, is my onions, my green onion, and then I have some thyme and habanero pepper here. Alright, so first I'm gonna mix all that in, pour all that in. Get my sweet onion. I'm gonna pour my green onion. Pour my thyme, my pepper, and then I'm gonna add my powder seasoning, which I'm gonna add my jerk seasoning, a mild jerk seasoning, because I don't want it too extra spicy. So jerk seasoning on it. I'm gonna pour some so I cover enough when I mix it all together. So the chicken, I'm gonna add my allspice, my pimento beans in. This is how it looks. I'm gonna add a few of those on it. My garlic powder, I'm going to add my garlic powder on. Okay. Then I'm going to add my mild jerk sauce. And this is a liquidy one that looks like that. So I'm just going to pour this on it. Just pour it all over. Jerk sauce. Now I'm going to mix all this together. Chicken. Make sure to cover all my chicken. I'm going to add some more of the powder, because I didn't get the bottom. Add some more of the powder on it. And I'll continue mixing it all together. Overnight, get the season deeper in the chicken. All seasoned in. And now I'm gonna cover it up and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then I'll get back with you guys later. Alright, so this is the chicken after I took it out of the refrigerator overnight. So now I'm gonna toss it on the grill so we can start grilling this beautiful chicken. So even though all the spice is still on it, I'm gonna still put all this on the grill just like this, okay? The temperature is up. Get all the pieces in it. Get all my leg quarters. Leg quarters. Yeah, it smells so good in here. Here's my piece. Okay. That's it. Put it on with all the spice on it. Now I'm gonna close it up and I'm gonna let it grill for a little bit, and I'll check on it later. Don't put on me. Put on my chicken. Make sure it gets its color on. See how the fire is so hot. Melted. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna turn it so I can get the other side. So I want to keep the flavor in, so I'm going to sprinkle some red bear on it, so it'll be nice and juicy. And then I'm going to check on it again in a few minutes. Alright, now I'm going to check and turn it again, so I can make sure that they're all cooked. I want to make sure it goes through. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to sprinkle a little more beer on the other side. Make sure it gets the flavor nice and juicy. And then I'm going to let this go again and sit, and then turn it to make sure it's no blood when it's finished and it's nice and cooked. And then when I'm done, I can show you guys the finishing dish with my jerk chicken. Alright, here's my finished jerk chicken. It's already cut it up, different from the leg quarters. You see, it's nice and juicy. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my plate, and I'll show you guys the finishing dish. Alright, there you have it, my jerk chicken. Just comment down below, let me know what you think of this recipe or what you want me to do on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell to get that notification. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy my jerk chicken.